Hello. In this video, we're going to be talking about the circumference of a circle. The formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi times the radius, or if you know the diameter, it's just pi times diameter. Okay, so I have a few example problems I want to try with you. In number 1 here, the radius of a circle is given to us as 6 inches, and we want to find the circumference. So we use the formula for circumference involving the radius. Since we know r is 6, we can write it as c, which is our circumference, equals 2 pi times 6. Well, we know that 2 times 6 is 12, and we still have to multiply by pi. So it says to round to the nearest hundredth. When I type 12 times pi in my calculator, we get a circumference of approximately, and I use the squiggle because I'm rounding, as 37.699, so it rounds to 70. And then my label here, this is a single dimension, and so it will be in inches. Okay, and that's the circumference of number 1. In number 2, the diameter is given to us as 10 meters. And in this one, we want to find the exact circumference of the circle. This one's actually easier on us to find the exact version. Since we know the diameter is 10, we know that d is 10. And so we'll use the circumference formula involving the d. So we have c, our circumference, equal pi times 10 times. And because we want the exact circumference, if I take 10 times pi, I'm going to get a rounded version. So the exact answer is literally just 10 pi, and my label is meters. And that's the circumference in number 2, unrounded. All right, in number 3, finally, we're given the circumference this time, and we want to find the radius. So here we know that c is 12. And so to find the radius, I know that 12 is equal to 2 pi times r. And then to get r alone, we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. That's multiplication happening between the 2, the pi, and the r, and we undo that with division. So the 2 pi's cancel. Over on the left side, we have some division going on between 2 pi and 12, and we're looking for something that divides out of both of them so that we can simplify the fraction. Well, if I take a 2 out of both 2 and 12, I'm left with an r of 6 divided by pi. Okay, so that's the exact value of this. We weren't told what to do here, so let's go ahead and do the rounded version of this. So I'll put my approximate symbols here, and in the calculator, when I do 6 divided by pi, I come up with 1.91 feet. And that's the circumference, the radius given the circumference of 12. Okay, that's our lesson on circumference of a circle. For now, we are done.